How to fix an Amazon Fire Stick that won't work on a Samsung TV in 2025. Check power first. Plug the Fire Stick into the wall, not the TV's USB port. Verify the HDMI port. Verify the HDMI port. Use HDMI 1 or 2, then cycle inputs with the source button. Enable Anynet Plus in Samsung settings, then External Device Manager, so the TV detects Fire Stick automatically. If there's still no signal, unplug the Fire Stick and TV for 30 seconds, then reconnect. This hard resets the HDMI handshake. Update Samsung TV firmware from Settings, Support, then Software Update, then Update Now. Factory reset the Fire Stick if the app keeps crashing by pressing back plus right on your remote for 10 seconds. If you're still stuck, try a new HDMI cable or a 4K ready port if using Firestick 4K. Contact Amazon or Samsung support as a last resort. Like and subscribe if this video helped. Thanks for watching.